Hello, this is Hitansi with the Bayan Group, and today I'm going to show you how to schedule sending an email through the new and classic Outlook. We will cover the following items: schedule sending emails in new Outlook, and schedule sending emails in classic Outlook. This feature can help you in planning to send your emails accordingly. If you are working and collaborating with people in different time zones, the Schedule Send feature can be very useful. First, open the new Outlook and draft your email. Once you are done, click the drop-down arrow next to the Send button. Click Schedule Send. Several options will appear on the screen. You can choose one of these or add in your own time to send the message. To add in your own time, click Custom Time. From here, you can choose your date and time that you want to send the message. Once you have set your custom date and time, click Send. Your email will remain in your drafts until that time. Now we will go over schedule sending emails in Classic Outlook since it's a little different. Open Outlook in Classic mode and draft an email. Go to the Options tab, and under the More Options group, click Delay Delivery. Under the Delivery options, you can select the date and time you want to send your message. Once set, click Close. Now click Send. The email will stay in your outbox until the time you selected for it to be delivered. This is how you can schedule sending your emails in both the new and classic Outlook. Thank you again for joining me in this tips and tricks video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and we will see you next time. Thank you.